Hey everyone, just gonna give you guys an update on this channel. I have a few videos coming out and just want to let you guys know. Starting in a couple of weeks, I'm almost done with my Paris video. There's gonna be one on the Renaissance Republic in Paris, and then there's gonna be another one with some montage of what I did in Paris. Besides the two Paris videos, I'm thinking of also having the Norwegian Breakaway. I'll get you a room tour of that ship. I'm in a spa balcony, and yeah. Oh, by the way, if you're ever wondering how a Hyatt place looks like, it looks like this. Pretty nice. So I'm also going to be in London for a couple of days, and I'm going to see if I can get another video out of that. If not, I'll just put it at the end of the cruise video. So in summary, I'm going to have two Paris videos. One that's about the Renaissance Republic hotel, and the other one will be things I did in Paris. Then I'm going to have a few videos on the transatlantic cruise on the Norwegian Breakaway from New York to Southampton, which will also have a room tour video and maybe a video in London, England. And finally, I'm going to have a flight report on Air Canada's 777-200 or 300ER, and it's going to be in the business class cabin. I look forward to showing you those videos, and thanks for watching everyone. Bye.